Hi guys, my name is Ain. In this video, I'm gonna share the tutorial on how to make a curved L-shaped ceiling like this. Okay, we go to our AiHouse. Okay, so we're gonna use a ceiling custom function, right? And firstly, we're gonna make a partition. We can use rectangular function. Okay, so we're going to make a partition. Just drag the pen, okay, drag from one endpoint to one endpoint, and you can adjust the view under your walkthrough view on your right side. Okay, and we can use offset to create another layer. Okay, let's key in 600. And now to cancel the function, you can right click. Alright, and now we're going to make chamfer. We're going to use chamfer to make a curve to 1 inch and adjust the outer fillet to 700. Okay, 784. Okay, so now we can see the curve over here, and we need to drag the line to the end to make an L shape like this one. Alright, and this one, if you want to delete, you can delete. Okay, so you can adjust the ceiling drop. Okay, let's say I adjust on the here 300, and here I make to half 150 meter. So it's gonna look like this. Okay, so already have a different drop level. So we can see clearly the L shape. Now we're gonna put a skirting. Can use angle. Okay, can click on angle and to click on section edit. Okay, you click on angle and then you move to this area, and you can still adjust the skirting sizing over here, but make sure you click on lock and unlock button here to adjust one of the parameters. Okay, I increase the height to 150 to make it align. Okay, and you can also add an LED. Okay, you can click on the lamp tube if you want to add some lighting. Okay, you just drag to this corner and you can play around with the circle shape, okay, to locate your LED. Okay, so I'm just randomly put this on the uh, position in that skirting, right? Okay, and then we can copy the setting just now, okay, to another side. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just click on the line, okay, click on painter and click on the curve line, and it will copy and paste the exact skirting, the angle skirting, and also the LED position. Okay, so if you want to like edit, you can click on the line. Okay, and then you can paste to this side, but the thing is it will not be pasted to this side, so we need to install manually again. Click on the line and then you click on the section edit, click on angle. Alright, and then you can adjust the position if you see it's overlapping or you see the sizing is not tally, so you can adjust the sizing over here. Okay, you can change the same as previous one, 150. Okay, and you can adjust the position. Alright, so you can rotate the camera to see the outcome, and you can also add lighting. You can use the lamp tube or you can use a round lamp. Okay, so you just need to play around with the circle shape to locate, or if you have the precious brightness level, so you can set the brightness level. Alright, so now we currently already have the L shape with lighting. Okay, if you want to edit the brightness for the lighting, you can still click on the circle shape and you click done. Alright, so you click on complete. Okay, and then you can test out render to see the final outcome for your L-shaped curved ceiling. Alright, so this is the outcome, okay, after I render. Okay, so we now have our L-shaped curved ceiling. Okay, so happy trying. Bye bye.